Outnumbered law enforcement officers ultimately retreated rather than risk bloodshed, and no shots were ever fired. But the dispute marked a flashpoint in long-simmering tensions between right-wing activists and the government over federal control of public lands in the West. Defense lawyers have argued that the Bunkerville defendants were exercising constitutionally protected rights to assembly and to bear arms, casting the 2014 showdown as a patriotic act of civil disobedience against government overreach. Prosecutors have argued armed gunmen were using force and intimidation to defy the rule of law. Standing trial with Bundy, 71, are his sons Ammon and Ryan Bundy, and a fourth defendant, Ryan Payne, a Montana resident linked by prosecutors to a militia group called Operation Mutual Aid. A would-be fifth defendant, internet blogger and radio host Peter Santilli Jr., pleaded guilty on October 6 to conspiracy and faces a possible 6-year prison term. 6 lesser-known participants in the Nevada showdown went on trial earlier this year. A mistrial was declared for 4 of them, and the jury found 2 guilty, one of whom received a prison term of 68 years. The other awaits sentencing. Of the 4 remaining defendants from the first trial, 2 were retried and acquitted, and 2 pleaded guilty to lesser charges in exchange for a maximum 1-year prison term. Another group of 6 defendants, including 2 other Bundy sons, Dave and Mel Bundy, are due to stand trial after the current trial ends. Ammon and Ryan Bundy, along with 5 other people, were charged in a separate conspiracy case last year stemming from the 2016 armed takeover of a federal wildlife center in Oregon, but those defendants were all acquitted.